Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to Chrome automatically switch themes depending on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to Chrome automatically switch themes depending on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Click on start, type here settings, click on settings. After click on personalization, click on color. After click on dark. Get this. If you want to red, so click on red. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to Chrome automatically switch themes depending on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.